Suyash. Now I will explain about the API. API is the application programming interface. Now it transfer data one computer to another, such as the waiter, the customer, waiter, and the chef. When waiter asks him his order, then the customer tell his order, and waiter goes to chef, and then chef make their order, and chef chef prepare their order, and waiter give it to customer. Like this the API works. Thank you. Like this API use the take the in, take the request from the user to the, and it gives to the database. Then database gives response to the API, and API gives a response to user. Thank you.